As the hole digging comes to a completion, it's time to ensure that we set up the tank well for the waters just in case the rains delay. We purchased a tap, pipe joining compound, a connector pipe, and some loose sisal thread. For a start, we purchased a 5,000 liter tank. It didn't come with a tap installed on it, so we had to look for a plumber to come and do the whole setup. If this is the first time you're watching my video or visiting my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button below and click the bell button to turn on the notification. The process is simple. With the technical know-how, it can be a simple DIY, but we let the plumber do his work. So let's see how the process goes, and maybe you can pick one or two things that you can do for yourself. Before burning up the hole for the pipe, we had to ensure the tank didn't have any water to the point of where we were burning. So we had to tilt it to a particular level. That is why we have a tire underneath the tank. After setting up the pipe wrench at this point for me to hold, we got inside and tightened up the other side of the nut. Tank done. Now on to other things.